Machine vise. Machine vise is used to hold and grip workpieces for machining purpose. The main parts of this vise are the base, the block, the fixed jaw, the sliding jaw and screw spindle. The base, made of cast iron, has lugs provided to clamp the assembly on the machine bed. The base has rectangular slots cut longitudinally on both the sides. These slots guide the movement of the sliding jaw. The fixed jaw has a V-cut and holes to receive the clamping screw, while the sliding jaw has a finger-like projection at the bottom of one of the sides. The fixed jaw is screwed to the body. The sliding jaw is placed on the base in a manner that the projection locates into the groove of the body. The lock plate is fitted on the other side of the sliding jaw using screws. Thus, the sliding jaw can slide along the base, but it cannot lift up. The block is screwed to the base on the other side. The threaded hole in the block receives the spindle. The spindle is assembled with the sliding jaw and locked using the dog-ended screw. By rotating the screw spindle, the sliding jaw is slid towards or away from the fixed jaw, enabling the clamping and unclamping of workpiece respectively.